In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize product pictures in Shopify. Resizing your product images can help your store look cleaner, more professional, and better optimized for customers. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Content. Next, select Files. Inside the File section, locate the image you want to resize. Click on the image to open its options. Now look for the Resize option and click on it. Enter the new dimensions you want for your image. Make sure to keep the correct aspect ratio so the image does not appear stretched or distorted. After entering the new size, click Apply. Preview the image to make sure it looks the way you want. Once you're satisfied, click Save to confirm the changes. Your resized image will now update across your Shopify store wherever that file is being used. That's it. You've successfully resized product pictures in Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy selling.